Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn chapter number 13, Mar Teresa. Value, a symbol of charity. Children, Mother was a great woman and famous as one woman, one mission, who had taken a big step to change the world. She spent most of her life in the church. Mar Teresa, as humanitarian personality, helped the helpless of the world in multiple ways. Now, children, let's begin to learn about Mar Teresa, the icon of greatness. Agnes Pojacciu, better known as Mar Teresa, was born on 26 August 1910 at Spokane in Yugoslavia. Her parents Nicola and Tranafil belonged to an Albanian minority community. Yes, dear children, Mar Teresa was more an Indian than the citizen of the country of her actual birth. She was born on 26 August 1910 in Yugoslavia. Her childhood name was Agnes Pojacciu. When she became young, she wanted to become a missionary to India. During those days, the Irish order, the Sisters of Loreto, had their mission in India. So, she joined the order on 26 September 1928. In the same year, she boarded a ship for a long voyage to India. In January 1929, she reached Calcutta. On May 23, 1929, she became a novice and changed her name to Teresa. So, when Mother Teresa was young, she has decided to join in the convent. So, she became a nun at the age of 18. Mother Teresa was appointed as a teacher of the St. Mary's High School at Entelli, Calcutta. So, here Mother Teresa came to India as a teacher of St. Mary's High School. She became a citizen of India. Later, she became the principal of the school. Her daily life gave her an opportunity to see the real poverty and miseries of the people who lived in the slums. There, she saw the poorest of the poor. So, Mother Teresa possessed great attributes that set her apart from many. After completing her school, she became a nun and came to India. She made many contributions in changing the lives of the poor people in India. September 10, 1946 was the turning point in Mother Teresa's life. On that day, she was traveling to Darjeeling to attend the prayers. While she was in the train, she had a vision and a call from within. She experienced a vision of Jesus Christ. In the vision, Jesus asked her to devote herself for the cause of the poor people. Her inner self heard the divine voice, "I want you to serve me among the poorest of the poor." She was deeply inspired by this incident. She accepted the call and surrendered herself to Jesus. This day is celebrated as the Inspiration Day by the members of the Missionaries of Charity. So, with the permission and blessings of the superiors, she left the convent to serve the poorest of the poor. So, children, once Mother Teresa was traveling to Darjeeling to attend the prayers. When she was traveling, Mother Teresa heard the voice within her. That she has understood that this is the voice of Jesus Christ, that he is telling to serve the poor people, those who are suffering in this world. So she was deeply hurt when she saw the sick, dying, hungry, and homeless people. So she decided to help these people. So she left the school and began to serve the poor and the needy. She distributed food, medicines, and above all, showered motherly love on the poor children, those who are living in the slums. So she founded the Missionaries of Charity for this noble cause. So children, tomorrow we shall learn the continuation of the chapter. Thank you.